January 6, 1996, what began as snow quickly became one of the most historic storms the region had ever seen.
Yeah, so more than 2 feet fell in 2 days, bringing travel to a halt and leaving so many people stranded and stuck at home in the D.C. area.
But as our community always does, people stepped up to help really complete strangers.
What's it like on the train?
A little crowded. Not as cold as it could be, I guess. Dark. They're coming to get us in about 2 minutes, as of 3 hours ago. Are you okay?
What?
I'm cold.
It was the longest trip I've ever had from Catholic University to Silver Spring.
It was the best $2.10 ride I ever had.
3 hours stuck on a train, 3 hours plus. They were good about it though, but even during the frustration and fatigue, as you can only imagine, the storm also brought out moments of joy and reminders that for many, when there's nowhere to go, you might as well just make the most of it.
The blizzard of '96, wow, the big one, the one you can tell your grandkids about. How does it rank? Officially, it's the third largest snowstorm in the immediate metropolitan area, at least on record.
Oh, look at Baby Top. Baby Top. You know, when the snow finally stopped, the records had been shattered, and so had some routines for so many. It was the shared moments, the patience, even the laughter that made the blizzard of '96 unforgettable.
That's what's crazy about blizzards. And initially you're like, oh, this is great. You have so much fun.
Yeah.
Then one day goes by, then the next day,
Yeah.
the third, cabin fever starts to set in.
And it's interesting because, you know, when we cover snowstorms, we're here at work. So everybody else is at home and they're going stir crazy, and we're here talking about blizzards. In this case, boy, I mean, it was that much snow really did shut the city down.
Yeah, absolutely. And then just a few days after this blizzard, we had a little clipper system move through that tacked on just a few more inches. It was only 3 to 4 inches, but I mean, 3 to 4 on top of 2 feet was not what I think people wanted to see at that point.
I think we're good with the blizzards. I think we're okay.
Given the right time, like a nice, good weekend blizzard with low implications.
I was going to say, if
That
it's
would be
that much
great.
snow, you'd be here, and so would we.
Yeah.
I'd be on the weather terrace enjoying every bit of it.
Okay, you said it. We're going to save this.